How to see liked photos on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see liked pins on Pinterest. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen again. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you are under the settings, you can just tap on refine your recommendation. And now here, you will be able to see all the pins that you have liked. You can scroll through them anytime and revisit your favorite ideas. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.